Hi, I am Samantha Greer. I am a freshman first year college student. I went to high school through Arkansas Virtual Academy, which is an online public school. That is how I attended school from the 7th grade through graduation. It's an online public school through K-12. Some people like to call it homeschooled, but it is actually an online public school. Public school, just like traditional schools, I have to adhere to the same guidelines and meet the same requirements as traditional schools do. I am not the first in my family to attend college, but I do plan to be the first in my family to end college with a degree. I plan to apply to the nursing program on campus after doing 2 years of prerequisites. I want to go into the nursing field because I do truly hate when you go into a hospital, a doctor's office, any type of medical facility, and the doctors, the nurses, the medical staff seem like they truly hate their jobs. They have to show compassion and sympathy when they're working with the patients because the staff does not truly understand how the patients feel. They could be going through some of the worst pain imaginable, pain that the staff could never imagine. So when you're in that situation, you do have to show sympathy and compassion. You have to be strong for them and show the strength when you are in front of them because they could be at their breaking point. So you have to be strong for them. And then I also do volunteer work at my church on Wednesday nights. Every Wednesday night, we feed approximately 150 youth, children, and adults before they go to evening services. We have simple nights as easy as hot dogs and chaotic nights as far as pork chops or soup. And so just depending on the week, it might be a workload. And so with that, it adds to why I wanted to go into the nursing field because I get to work with people all the time and I do love it. So with that and all the other things that I've already stated about the medical field, I do truly want to go into maybe not nursing, maybe after 2 years of doing prereqs, I decide nursing isn't it, but I do want to go into the medical field where I can help people. And with all that being said, that's why I decided that I needed to go to college and get a degree. Because when we want something, then we need to go for it. So we need to put our best foot forward and go for what we want in life and set a good path for our future. And that's a little introduction about me. Thank you.